What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Katie Influencer, and this is Crime in the Hood TV. Today's case brings us to Birmingham, Alabama, where 20-year-old Mahogany Jackson was sexually assaulted, beat, tortured, and killed by 8 of her friends. This video could be a trigger warning. Before I start, I would like to give my biggest condolences to her mother, close family, friends, and her child that she has, her daughter. One thing about it, I just want to, put a bug in the younger generation ear. I'm young as well. I'm soon to be 30. But at the end of the day, we got to know who our real friends are. We have to know who our real friends are. And we got to know how to lead off our intuition. You'll get signs before shit happens. You just got to know how to hear it, listen to your body, and follow your own mind. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody damn sure ain't your partner. Mahogany Jackson text. She was kidnapped. Days later, 8 suspects were charged in her murder. The facts of this case is deplorable and sickening. Alabama mother Mahogany Jackson was found shot in the back of the head on February 26 by the side of a road in a remote area in Birmingham, Alabama. Hours after, she texted her mother saying that she had been kidnapped and asking for help, according to the Birmingham Police Department. Now, 6 of the 8 suspects charged in connection to the kidnapping, sexual assault, and murder of the 20-year-old Jackson appeared in court Wednesday morning for a preliminary hearing. The facts of this case are deplorable and sickening. Saddest of all, they were made public by the suspects. Decisions to videotape portions of this horrific act, Thurman said during a press conference on February 28, announcing the arrest of several suspects. We have to shield Mahogany's family and friends by withholding specific facts surrounding the investigation. However, we have determined that Mahogany was a victim of sexual assault with murder and kidnapping. This is undoubtedly one of the most heinous acts I've seen in my career. It's absolutely disgusting, Thurman added. Police announced on February 28 that 7 suspects were arrested and charged in connection to the kidnapping, rape, assault, and murder of Jackson, a native of Jasper, Alabama, while an 8th suspect was arrested on March 1st. Brandon Pope, 24, Francis Harris, 25, and Jeremy McDowell, 18, were initially charged with capital murder doing a first-degree kidnapping and capital murder doing first-degree sodomy and are being held without bond. According to ABC affiliate in Birmingham, WBMA, investigators said during the bond hearing on March 4th that Harris is believed to have fired the fatal shot. So Francis Harris, 25. But according to WBMA, Pope and McDowell's capital murder charges on the basis of rape and sodomy were dismissed during the preliminary hearing on Wednesday. While this is a terrible incident, my client maintains his innocence. McDowell's attorney, Glennon Threat, told ABC News on Wednesday evening, adding that the dismissal of those charges against his client shows that the state was overcharging. Giovanni Clapp, 23, and Blair Green, 25, and Sanaya McCall, 23, were charged with felony murder, first-degree kidnapping, and first-degree sodomy, while Tasia Lewis, 26, was charged with felony murder. Lewis and Clapp also were initially charged with second-degree assault, but Clapp's assault charge was reduced from second-degree to third-degree assault on Wednesday. The 8th suspect, Ariana Lachey Robinson, 23, was charged with felony murder and kidnapping, according to the police. She was present at the hearing on Wednesday, but her case was bound over by another judge. During a March 4th bond hearing, the 5 additional suspects were denied bond. ABC News has reached out to the attorney representing each of the suspects. Attorneys representing Clapp and Lewis declined to comment, but attorneys representing the 6 other suspects did not immediately respond to ABC News' request. Thurman said that the suspects in this case were not strangers and were all acquainted with each other. He also said that Jackson was acquainted with the suspects. Thurman thanked the public for sharing information that helped lead to the arrest in this case. You answered the call, he said. This case highlights the strength and effectiveness of the partnership between the Birmingham Police Department and our community. BPD spokesperson Officer Truman Fitzgerald told ABC News in a phone interview on Monday that police began the investigation into this incident as a missing person case after they were notified before 11 a.m. local time on Sunday, February 25th, about a text message that Jackson sent to her mother. In the message, Jackson told her mother that she was being held hostage and shared the name of an individual who lives in the apartment where she was allegedly being held, as well as an address, and asked her mother not to call her back, but urged her to reach out to the police. Fitzgerald said, adding that it was the last time anyone heard from Jackson. Police went to the apartment right away and began searching immediately. They searched the apartment where she was supposedly supposed to be. They searched the complex. They spoke to witnesses, Fitzgerald said, but by then, Jackson was not there. According to Fitzgerald, BPD detectives learned during the investigation that the alleged kidnappers found out that Jackson used her phone after she texted her mother and threatened her to reveal her passcode so they could unlock her phone. Jackson been moved to a different location before police arrived on the scene, Fitzgerald said. One of the suspects told her if she gave her password, they would allow her to live, Fitzgerald said. According to police, a witness who was not involved in the incident found Jackson's body at 2:19 a.m. on the side of the road at 17th Street Southwest and Laura Avenue. Fitzgerald said that Jackson's body was found in a kind of isolated area near a residential neighborhood about 2.5 miles away from the apartment that Jackson had indicated she was being held at in a text message to her mother. Jackson's family and community members held a candlelight vigil on February 29th in honor of her memory at the Serenity apartment complex. Jefferson County District Attorney Danny Carr, whose office is investigating this case, told WBMA on March 4th that Jackson's family, who attended the bond hearing for the suspects, is shaking. They're definitely shaking. It is one thing to hear a lot of what we call chitter-chatter out there, but to be in a formal setting and hear what happened to a loved one like that could be very disheartening, obviously, Carr said. ABC News has reached out to Carr's office for additional comment. Asked if police expect to arrest any additional suspects, Fitzgerald told ABC News on Monday that based on the evidence detectives have obtained so far, investigators do not see any more suspects being arrested. He added that while arrests have been made, the investigation is ongoing with detectives gathering evidence and polishing up the case ahead of a future trial. Sad case, man. And, you know, listening to other podcasts and stuff, I heard that, you know, they was calling people, like they had her handcuffed on the floor, calling people like, do you want to get, do you want to get your sucked? Like, just going about it, like, going and going. Like, y'all done raped her, beat her, like, y'all done made her do things to people that she didn't want to do. You feel me? And then, word through the vine is that the day prior, or I think the same day, allegedly, they went to a juice lady, meaning, I guess, allegedly, like, lean or something like that. And I guess they went back, you know, had a little party. But in my mind, it's like they got her discombobulated, like they got her inebriated and then executed the plan. It's all premeditated. Y'all set it up. That's how y'all set it up. And then each individual person had a beef with her. Like, that is so weird that y'all had that hidden jealousy on that lady like that. You feel me? Like, what kind of weird fetishes that y'all got in y'all head that you come in, and one of the girls, I think Ariana, didn't even know her. She had never met Ariana. I think she talked to Ariana on a 3-way call with Blue, but she had never seen Ariana in face-to-face. But I guess it was something with, she used to talk to Ariana, baby daddy, or something like that. So everybody had like this hidden agenda on this girl. And it was so fucked up. It was messed up. Excuse my French, but it was messed up. Justice for Mahogany. Long live Mahogany. Everybody ain't your friends, y'all. Thank y'all for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Tap that subscribe button. Hit that bell button so you don't miss a beat. Remember to love each other. Peace.
Okay, I just want to start this off with a review. And I really don't review shit. So, here we go. That was Terrific Treats. Good. 10 out of 10. I feel like it gives more natural sweetness. It's very good. Good juice. Now, best for last. My mama Vin got one of these. You like me for Travis motherfucking Polish sausage. You lame as fuck. That shit good. Hold on. Bitch, break my scale. Break my motherfucking scale.